Hi friends, welcome to Spirit Said So. I'm Krista, and Spirit has drawn me to do a collective reading. Messages from your angels, your spirit guides, perhaps your ancestors or your soulmates. Typically I do an angels assembly by Zodiac, and I do look forward to doing them again in the very near future. But until then, Spirit has drawn me to obtain these messages from your angels for the collective. My understanding is there's a lot of messages to be had, so let's take a look-see as to what comes out. I will list below all of the cards that we're going to be using in this reading. Spirit, please provide divinely guided messages from all of the angels, ancestors, spirit guides, for those who are drawn to this reading, for those who need to hear these messages from their angels. What is it that they need to know? Okay, two came out of here. Celebration and friendship. I'm not really surprised that two came out where this is a collective reading. We have celebration. Okay, put celebration here. All right. Spirit, please continue these divinely guided messages for our friends. What do their angels need to tell them? What about friendship and celebration? Both wonderful things to start this reading out with. Temptation. Are you in denial about an unhealthy habit, perhaps one that makes you feel guilty? This fairy says you have the power to overcome temptation, whatever its guise. Get the serpent. I'm feeling naive energy. Sensitive energy. Vulnerable. Okay. Something from your spirit animal. Please continue these divinely guided messages, Spirit, from the spirit guides. Coyote, revealer of truth. Don't take things too seriously. Make time to play. Great wisdom comes from laughing at your own folly. Look out for the traps and tricks of life and learn from them. Much to do with temptation, I'd say. Perhaps things in the past have tempted you and it was a trap or a trick. Your angels are telling you to perhaps reflect on that. Not dwell, but reflect. It's never good to dwell on your past. It's good to learn from your past. Spirit, please continue these divinely guided messages for our friends. What about friendship, temptation, celebration, revealer of truth? All things that do connect in one way or another. First quarter moon in Pisces. Honor your feelings. Revealer of truth. All right, we're actually going to bring those down. All right, making room. If you haven't noticed, I like to use several texts. But this is an assembly of your angels now. Spirit, as always, asking for messages for the highest good only from our friends, ancestors, spirit guides, their angels. What is it that they need to know? Okay, I'm actually feeling there's much to do. All right. I only had intention for one, but Spirit said no, we're going to do 3. We have the King of Staves, King of Wands, we have the Four of Cups, and the Empress. Very interesting. The fire element is very strong in this reading, as well as earth and water, very much making their presence. Wow. Okay, actually we're going to leave you for last. Your angels know that you're looking for more than what you have going on right now. You're very strong, very highly regarded. I feel like with friendship, you have a strong following. You have many friends. Many that have emotional attachments to you. You're very grounded. While you are very strong and passionate and stand firm on things that you believe, you are also very caring of others in their weakest moments. You try to nurture them. You're also, you're somewhat materialistic in the ways of you value your possessions, and your possessions are valuable. Okay, at the bottom of the deck, before I even start separating and shuffling, we have the Queen of Wands. Again, very strong fire energy in this reading. But there is earth energy as well as water. Spirit, please continue these divinely guided messages for the collective. What do their angels want them to know? Yeah, Knight of Wands. Very, very strong fire energy here. Six of Swords. Okay. So your guides are saying that you've been looking at perhaps moving in a different direction. You've been given an opportunity, which that would explain the Four of Cups here as well. You're looking at something that is being offered to you, but you're just not quite sure. Is the opportunity as good as it's being presented? And I feel like with the Six of Swords here, you know, she's really pondering this. Is she doing the right thing? Your guides are saying that you're pretty much ready to go. You're being tempted with a certain offer that's come in for you. You've been celebrating this offer because it makes you feel good. It makes you feel worthy, valuable. With honor your feelings. Your guides are saying that you probably should go with your intuition. If it's what you want, you're going to be leaving some things behind is what I'm hearing. Those who have been following you, those who you have helped grow and nurture. Now, this could be friends. This could be family. Please keep in mind this is for the collective, so there's a lot of angels and spirit guides putting their 2 cents into this reading. But collectively, this is about you and what you've been feeling about an offer that's come in. Very tempted to take up that offer. Again, it makes you feel good, but you're going to be leaving your tribe behind. Two of Swords at the bottom of the deck. You are really trying to figure things out. Your guides feel that you have been dwelling on this offer. Perhaps a friendship is at risk for this offer. Ace of Cups, you have definitely been offered a new opportunity, a new opening, something that you feel very strongly about. Now this offer, for some of you, is a love interest. For some of you, it is about self-love. Honoring your feelings, taking care of you. perhaps that is another thing with the Four of Cups, is you're just not sure if this offer is good for you. You're having an emotional warfare internally. You haven't opened up, excuse me, you haven't opened up. Some of you need to lean on your friends and tell them how you truly feel. Okay, we did have the Queen of Wands at the bottom of the deck, but we have now drawn this very strong, powerful, beautiful energy. There is no denying that your passion, your previous efforts, accomplishments have put you in a position for receiving the incoming offers that you've been getting. People feel very drawn to you. Okay, this is right side up. 10 of Pentacles. Yes, you are a very community, very family-oriented soul. Again, very strong, earthly roots. Your family, your friends are holding you back. Somebody is holding you back from taking the opportunity that you are so tempted to take. Page of Pentacles. Yeah. You are trying to dabble into that offer and you're trying to balance. That you're holding back. Whether it's about loving yourself or a new relationship, something that you feel very strongly about, it is impacting your other relationships. We have the Four of Wands. Celebration being reiterated here in this reading. Right here. Got so much fire energy here. So much passion. You've been kept from this passion. You've kept a lot of what you've wanted to do inside for fear of how others will perceive what you're doing, or perhaps who you're turning into. For some of you, this is a spiritual endeavor. Again, it's about self-love for some, and it's about platonic and love relationships. This is for the collective. Please keep in mind to take what resonates. Sorry about the stamper there. A lot going on here with you emotionally, for sure. You've got some people trying to keep you from your passions. Trying to hold you back, hold you down. 10 of Wands. You're about ready to walk off anyway. Travel is definitely in your near future, friends, within the next few weeks. The Hierophant. Here we have more Taurus energy with the Hierophant and the Empress. Again, strong spiritual self-love. For lovers, this is about their tradition, this, stampering again, the traditional path of a love journey. It's definitely about ascension. It's about growth. Spiritual and physical growth. Emotional growth. I'm kind of running out of room here. You are definitely looking forward to opportunities and learning as you go. 9 of Cups. This is about being independent and having your emotions in check. So feeling good about the choices that you've made or have made. Okay. King of Swords. You're going to have to make that decision. It's got to work for you. It's got to be logical for you. But you've got to do it. I'm hearing you know what you have to do. With the owl here and then the Hierophant, this is a spiritual notice to many of you to definitely use your intuition. Don't, don't let others keep you down. You've got to go with what you know is right for you. Okay, so this is definitely about reaching out to your friends, listening to what they have to say. Maybe they have some good advice about how you can make that final decision of what's right, what's going to be right for you in the end. And definitely using your intuition, your gut feeling is going to be your friend's advice, I'm quite certain. 10 of Cups. Your angels are saying that you can have the 10 of Cups with the 10 of Pentacles that you have here. Just because you are going to be accepting opportunities that are coming at you doesn't mean that you won't be able to work it out in the long run with those that you are attached to, physically, spiritually, all of the above, financially. You know, you do support many people. You are, again, you're in a high position in your life. You're not, you weren't born just yesterday. You have a lot under your belt. You have a lot going for you. And in the end, it's all going to come back to good. You're going to have your 10 of Pentacles, darlings. But you do need to make that decision for you and yourself. You need to honor your feelings. Keep your emotions in check. Stay true to you. Accept that love that's come in, whether it's the passionate of what you do, or loving yourself, or loving another. Your angels are saying, accept that and work with those that you already have in your life, that you guide, that you support. Those who count on you, they can still count on you, and you can still do you. All right, friends, I hope that this resonated with you. I feel very strongly about these positive messages that your guides have come here to bring to you. If this did not resonate with you, that certainly is okay. Perhaps another reading will. Please like this reading, leave a kind message below, and subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, stay absolutely fabulous. Bye.